All right, here it is. Let's take a look. Fishbowl, Deer Systems, AdvancePro Tech, MiSys Manufacturing, SOS Inventory, Acctivate, Odoo, Katana MRP, Unleashed, InFlow, Bana, SKU Vault, Sin 7, Seller Cloud, Bright Pearl, and Finale. These inventory software programs are great solutions for small to mid-sized companies, and they all connect to QuickBooks. Although QuickBooks Desktop does some inventory management, at some point companies grow out of it and need to add inventory software to it. For those of you that use QuickBooks Online, you've probably learned that QuickBooks Online doesn't truly do inventory management. Because of this, we've gravitated towards a particular price range and feature set of inventory software that primarily connects to QuickBooks. Most companies that come to us do around 5 to 10 million a year, but we've helped companies that do anywhere from $250,000 to $100 million-ish. The software programs on this list are a great fit for companies of that size. The ones further to the right are stronger in e-commerce fulfillment. The ones further to the left are stronger in warehouse management. But a lot of these do well in both, and there's a handful in there that do well with manufacturing and have a good focus on manufacturing, kitting, or assembly. There are many types of inventory software programs. Bana Consulting focuses on wholesale distribution, warehouse management or WMS, manufacturing, e-commerce, or vanilla software that focuses on all those areas, and purchasing software that connects to these software. So ask yourself, where do you fit in the distribution chain? There is an inventory software that focuses on your place in the distribution chain, and even multiple spots in the distribution chain simultaneously. These inventory software programs are primarily made for small to mid-sized companies that connect to QuickBooks Desktop, QuickBooks Online, or Xero. Which one is right for you? In 2021, we began offering a service that has had a great response from QuickBooks Pro advisors and those otherwise needing inventory software. The service is assessment services. Here at Bana Consulting, we help you do three things: find the right software, set it up, and teach you how to use it. We focus mainly on inventory software that connects to QuickBooks. We walk you through a 4-step process to accomplish this goal. We do a thorough in-depth discovery interview. We collectively decide what to assess. We analyze and perform the assessment and make the recommendation. There are a lot of inventory software programs that connect to QuickBooks, a lot of different types of inventory software programs. We focus mainly on the warehouse management, manufacturing, sales focus with retail, wholesale, e-commerce components, and purchasing focused software. These are the examples of the inventory software programs that we focus on mainly. We focus on shopping carts and marketplaces that connect to these inventory software programs. We focus on purchasing software that connect to these inventory software programs. We focus on CRM that connect to these inventory software programs. And if you would like, if you need, we will do an ERP assessment that will actually replace QuickBooks as well. But mainly we focus on inventory software programs that connect to QuickBooks. So once again, we bring you through 4 steps: a discovery interview, decide what to assess, narrow down all of our options, analyze and perform the actual assessment, and then make the final recommendation. In the discovery interview, we'll take scrupulous notes, of course. We'll have plenty of questions. We'll write down all of the needs that you bring to the table. It'll probably last a couple hours. We may bring a questionnaire for you to fill out, and it's also helpful for you to take pictures and short video clips of your warehouse and show us your inventory and the layout of your warehouse. After our discovery interview, we'll take a week to narrow down the list, maybe sooner than a week too. It depends on the pace you want to take the project. And we'll narrow down the list. We'll create a summary of considerations and collectively decide what to assess. We'll use a database of features that we've been collecting over the years as we've learned all about these inventory software programs that connect to QuickBooks. A list of about 190 features. Says 195, but some of those are just categories. So you'll see here an example of all the features of all the inventory software programs. So we'll go back and narrow down this list of about 15 inventory software programs. We'll create a summary list like this and say whether or not we think you should consider the software programs and the reasons why. We'll try to narrow it down to 1, 2, or 3, of course. And in our second appointment with you, we'll review this list. After reviewing the list, we'll collectively decide what to assess. We'll consider your opinions and your needs. And as the assessment progresses, you may think of new needs. After the second appointment, we'll take a week or maybe sooner than that, depending on the pace you want to take the project. And we'll start to perform the actual assessment and analyze the software against the list of needs that you provided for us in the discovery interview and most likely updated during the second appointment. This is just an example of a list of needs a recent customer gave us for their assessment and discovery, and the 3 software programs that seem to fit their needs and that we collectively decided to assess based on their preferences. Often I'm asked, which inventory software is best? Which inventory software is your favorite? The answer to that question is different for everyone. What's important is which inventory software program is right for you. Which inventory software is best for your company. During the actual assessment analysis, we hope to disqualify some and narrow down the list to help you decide which is best for you. We'll meet with representatives of the inventory software companies and have them demo specific features to us to assure that the features are going to work the way you need them to work. And finally, at our final appointment, we'll have an opinion, and we'll of course want to hear your opinion as well. We'll collectively discuss the pros and cons and discuss comparisons between the software programs, unless the assessment resulted in one software program. And if you'd like, we'll demo the software or arrange a demo so you can feel comfortable and confident that you're making the right decision for your company. So once again, the assessment consists of 4 steps: the discovery interview, the narrowing down and decision making of what to assess, the analysis and actual assessment, and the final recommendation. Don't make the mistake of choosing the wrong software. Don't find out it's not a good fit for you after the money-back guarantee time period is over. We can help you prevent making a costly mistake and give you the comfort and assurance you need, or the comfort and assurance that comes from making the right selection. Then we can move on to helping you set it up and teaching you how to use it. If it's not a software program that we focus on, we have a network of colleagues and can assuredly find someone to help you successfully set it up and teach you to use it. Call us today or go to our website and fill out our contact form and we'll give you a quote.